Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best chainsaw sharpener you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best chainsaw sharpener in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Oregon Electric Chainsaw Chain Sharpener. Ideal for occasional chainsaw users, this lightweight, ergonomic tool makes hand sharpening easier. Conveniently sharpen saw chain on the go with its compact portability and stress-free operation. This rugged, economical grinding solution can withstand periods of extended use for durability you can rely on. The Oregon SureSharp handheld chainsaw chain sharpener is a convenient tool to keep in your truck or bring to job sites, as the portable unit includes both a 12-volt car adapter and battery clips, allowing you to sharpen your chainsaw anywhere. This electric unit can be used on 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch low profile, 0.325 inch, 3/8 inch, or 0.404 inch chains, and despite its small size, the sharpener's motor delivers a 25,000 RPM sharpening speed. This tool comes with 5x32 inch, 3x16 inch, and 7x32 inch sharpening stones, as well as a collet wrench, and it features a simple sharpening angle adjustment guide for accuracy. The product is lightweight and compact, so it won't take up much room in your toolkit, but the one downside is that it doesn't include a standard AC adapter. For details, let's watch more. Our second best chainsaw sharpener is Pferd 17300 Chainsaw Sharpener. Pferd's chainsaw sharpener is a wonderful field sharpener because it's small and easy to transport with other tools. This tough tool will withstand the knocks that come with working outside. It's easy to grip in gloved hands thanks to two big handles. Even novices can rapidly obtain reliable findings. The most significant advantage it has over a chainsaw file, and even certain electric chainsaw sharpeners, is that it adjusts the depth gauge's height while filing the chainsaw teeth. This aids in maintaining a constant cut along the chain. This tool has a 0.025 depth gauge distance and a 38-inch low-profile chain pitch. Other chain sizes have models available. Third pick in our list is Oregon Compact Saw Chain Sharpener. For a chainsaw sharpener that will deliver consistent results and keep your tool in top shape, you can't go wrong with the Oregon Bench wall-mounted saw chain grinder. This instrument is worth having for anyone who needs to tune up chainsaws on a regular basis, despite the fact that it is a bit of an investment. It can sharpen models from a wide range of well-known manufacturers, and it comes with everything you'll need to get the best results. This 120 volts chain grinder can sharpen 14-inch, 0.38-inch low profile, 0.325-inch, full profile 0.38-inch, and 0.404-inch pitch chains from all manufacturers, and it may be mounted to a workbench or wall. A grinder, dressing brick, quick check grinding template, and 3 grinding wheels are included in the package. It comes with a built-in will wear indicator as well as a light for improved visibility while working. Make your own chainsaw chains by sharpening them yourself. With 2 included bolts, the grinder simply mounts to a bench or wall, making it ideal for a workshop or garage. Ideal for semi-professional and household users who cut wood on a regular basis. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Katzco Chainsaw Sharpener. If you like to do things the old-fashioned way or just want to save some money, the affordable Katzco Chainsaw Sharpener File Kit includes everything you need to manually sharpen your chains. The 8-piece kit comes with 3 round fine-tooth files, a filing guide, depth gauge tool, fine-tooth flat file, and hardwood handle, as well as a convenient tool pouch where you can store all the items. This kit can be used on any chainsaw, and it includes files in 5x32, 3x16, and 7x32 inch sizes. The files and the depth gauge tool can be inserted into the included handle for a more comfortable grip, allowing you to work more quickly. Katzco Complete Chainsaw File Kit contains every field tool you could possibly need to get your chainsaw back into its optimal condition. The roll-up tool pouch keeps everything you need in one location, and allows for great portability so you can bring it wherever and whenever needed. This kit comes with a range of different files to meet any of your chainsaw sharpening needs. The premium fine-tooth flat and round files is made for fast filing and cutting. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best chainsaw sharpener list is Oregon 120-volt chainsaw sharpener. With the Oregon 120 volts bench grinder, you can sharpen link after link without using a manual handle to secure the cutting links. This model spins at 3,400 revolutions per minute and sharpens all 5 cutting link pitch sizes with hydraulic clamping assistance. It comes with 3 grinding wheels, a dressing stone, and a grinding wheel gauge, and is compatible with almost every chainsaw on the market. Plus, this model can be mounted on a bench or a wall with 2 included bolts. This reliable bench grinder combines precision results with the premier quality you can trust from Oregon. Features a hydraulic assist for hands-free automatic vise clamping, plus one-way motor rotation for greater operator safety. Multiple adjustment points for sharpening accuracy and built-in light for better visibility.